Today we will discuss about Alexander Pope, uh, who was born in 1688 and died in 1744. And we will understand the basic info about Alexander Pope and the questions related to Alexander Pope in the various examinations. Alexander Pope was one of the greatest English poets, and he was the foremost poet of the early 18th century. He was best known for satirical and discursive poetry, and if we consider his best works, The Rape of the Lock, The Dunciad, an essay of criticism, his translation of Homer. After Shakespeare, Pope is the second most quoted writer in English literature. He is compared a master of the heroic couplet. He was born on 21st May 1688 at London, England, and he died on 13th May 1744 at the age of 56 in Twickenham, Middlesex, England. His resting place was where St. Mary's Church, Twickenham, Middlesex, England. His style is epigrammatic. He represents best the early of the 18th century, and we have already told that he was the master of the heroic couplet. And what is heroic couplet? Heroic couplet, a group of two lines rhythmic at the end, both the lines being iambic pentameter. Now we understand his works. The Rape of the Lock, Pope's first satire. It's a mock epic, and it mocks at the little unguarded follies of the fair sex, but at the artificial social life of 18th century London as a whole. And the mockery arises from the exaltation of the trivial. Pope workmanship bears the stamp of Dryden. Next, Dunciad. Dunciad, notable satire of Pope, the epic of the Duncenses. He wrote to have his revenge on all those who had criticized his translation of Homer and his edition of Shakespeare. Next, essay and epistles. The moral essays and satires and epistles are the final and crowning efforts of the poet's genius. Satirizes corruption in high places. Now some questions from his works. The Rape of the Lock is a parody of the Iliad. Arrival of Homer was the historical inspiration for the character of Belinda. Robert Lord Peter was the historical inspiration for the character of the Baron, who asked Pope to write The Rape of the Lock. John Carlyle. Pope takes the name Ariel from Shakespeare's play The Tempest. The character warns Belinda in a dream that something dire disaster will befall her that day. Ariel, supernatural spirits, termagants becomes salamanders, inducive women becomes nymphs, brutes become gnomes, coquettes become sylphs. Four types of spirits are associated with the four elements. Sylph protect virgins. Billy Do refers to a love letter. Mighty contest arises from trivial things. Mighty rage is an allusion to the goddess for whom Belinda performs the sacred rites. Actually, Belinda's reflection in the mirror. Belinda's toilet functions as establishes the mock heroic motifs. In Canto 2, Belinda travels court palace. The Baron gets the Valdi to build an altar. Belinda wears a cross necklace. Primary function of Belinda's ringlets to attract men. Ariel deploys most of his army in sylphs in Belinda's petticoat. So these are the important information about Alexander Pope.